Bear here with another Codewars challenge. This one's a level 8, so that's the easiest level in Codewars. This is in Python, and it's called Remove First and Last Character. And as always, a link to the challenge is in the show notes if you want to try it out before watching the video. All right, so it's pretty straightforward. Your goal is to create a function that removes the first and last characters of a string. You're given one parameter, which is the original string. Okay, so this is pretty straightforward. There's our string s. All right, and so strings within Python, it's basically like a glorified list of characters, right? So what you can do is we can return the original string, and we can do a range on that string. So we can basically index into it. So what we can do is we can say start at the second character, right? So remember, characters start at 0. So when we say 1 here, we really mean 2. And we're going to go up to, so we got to do a colon. We're going to go up to, but not including the last character. So when you're indexing in strings, -1 is shorthand for last. So however long this string is, this will always grab the last character, okay? Now, when you're doing ranges in Python like this, the second number is always non-inclusive. So what we're saying here is we go up to, but not including the last character, okay? So let's try this out. Looks like everything's working. Let's do a full submission and see if we got it. And great job.